This is an example of using property tables or a property table to make what I call a multi-channel amplitude. On the left here inside my editor, you can see a Abacus input file that has a property table. And in this property table, my third column is time. My first column has the amplitude values for channel 1. The second column has the amplitude values for channel 2. I have two user-defined amplitudes called channel 1 and channel 2. And I've applied these amplitudes to connector motions in this simple model, which is just a one element model with one connector element. So in element 1, which is the connector element, the CU1 should be driven according to channel 1 and CU2 according to channel 2. And so in order to make this happen, I need the subroutine on the right. The subroutine calls the table, that's this bit here. And then if the amplitude is named channel 1, then use channel 1, the variable channel, the first entry in that array, which comes back from the property table. If it's not channel 1, then it would be channel 2 in this example, and so use channel 2. Nice thing about property tables is that they do interpolate if the value that you're calling, or the independent variable, which in this case is the set time, I call it xt, if that's in between the values in the table, then it will interpolate. So I ran this model, and did it work? Well, I will show you. I did do the history output of the connector element motions, and I have that here. So here's CU1, and so here's the history. So the X column is the time, the Y is the values of CU1. So let's see if it worked. I did the interpolation manually. So in channel 1, I'm going to look at time 0.42. So at 0.42, the value from the simulation is 0.489352. According to my calculation here, the value should be, point 489352. So I have to start at 0.2308. That would be this value here at 0.375, and then 0.42 lies in between, so that's this bit here. So channel 1 is working. What about channel 2? Let's look at channel 2. So here's channel 2. In this case, I looked at time 0.665. So here's 0.665. So the value should be 0.189488. Or the value is from the simulation, but is that the interpolated value in channel 2? And it is, so I interpolated that here inside Scilab, and I get the same value, 0.189488. So as best I can tell, this is working, and so there you go, an example of an amplitude, a tabular amplitude that has two channels.